As we speak, people are dying right now because of lack of medical attention. Help me to educate and persuade others on the importance of learning CPR and first aid and why learning it should be required in public and private education. Have you ever lost a loved one, or have you ever had to watch someone close to you go through the pain of losing a loved one? If you knew that learning CPR and first aid would save that person, would you do it? What if you weren't there to save that person? Would you wish that someone else was there to save them? An average of about 475,000 people die every year from cardiac arrest. CPR can be the difference between life and death when waiting for a medical professional or medical equipment in this circumstance. In 2018, it was estimated that about 2 million die each year from blood loss. First aid can help control the bleeding until help arrives. 90% of ambulances respond to an emergency within 7 to 8 minutes. Sadly, brain damage and death can occur within only 3 to 6 minutes if the brain goes without oxygenated blood. CPR is composed of chest compressions and mouth-to-mouth breathing. The mouth-to-mouth breathing forces air into the lungs, which provides the body with oxygen, and chest compression forces the heartbeat, sending blood to the brain. Now that we know if anyone knows CPR and first aid, they can prevent death as they wait for medical help to come. So how do we make sure that more people know CPR and first aid? Well, about 90% of age-appropriate people have enrolled in primary school. If this percentage stayed the same and every single one of these people were trained in CPR and first aid, as were future generations, eventually 90% of people would be educated in CPR and first aid. Requiring people to complete and pass the CPR and first aid course in school will prevent most deaths that occur because of not receiving medical attention on time. There are some deaths that are unpreventable, but why not save the ones that could be saved? Think of how many lives will be saved. How many people are going to be able to go home because they lived long enough to make it to a hospital where they were able to receive advanced medical treatment? How many people will continue to die if no one is there to provide a simple life-saving technique until medical professionals arrive? So help me spread the word. Please share this video with others, educate others on the benefits of CPR and how many lives it could save if every single student were taught CPR and first aid and how to implement it. Help me show others why CPR and first aid should be required in public and private education. Thank you.